A massive security breach just exposed the inner workings of a frontier AI system, and enterprise customers are scrambling. I'm Maya Chen. This is AI Now, your daily top 5 in artificial intelligence. Let's count it down. Coming in at number 5, we've got a reality check for corporate AI ambitions. A new global survey from Logicalis covering over 1,000 chief information officers found that 94% of organizations increased their AI spending in the past year. But here's the twist. 51% of those same leaders say adoption is already moving too fast. Even more telling, 89% describe their strategy as learning as we go, and 62% admit they've compromised on AI governance because they simply don't know enough yet. This is the definition of building the plane while flying it, and it signals real governance and risk management problems ahead. But things get bigger. Here's number 4. At number 4, South Korea is making a major play for AI sovereignty. NAVER and NVIDIA just announced plans to build gigawatt-scale AI factories at NAVER's Gakseong data center, according to NVIDIA's newsroom. The build-out kicks off at 55 megawatts in the first half of this year, with plans to scale dramatically from there using NVIDIA's DSX platform. For context, a gigawatt is roughly the output of a nuclear power plant. This matters because NAVER is becoming only the third company in the world to develop a hyperscale large language model, joining an elite club that was previously dominated by American tech giants. Sovereign AI infrastructure is no longer optional, it's strategic. Number 3 is where things get interesting. Number 3, tonight, the federal government is deploying ChatGPT to hunt down healthcare fraud. The Department of Health and Human Services just launched its AInow initiative, using ChatGPT and other AI tools to analyze 5 years of annual audit reports from all 50 states. The target? Between $100 billion and $200 billion in estimated annual fraud, waste, and abuse in Medicaid. According to reporting from Crescendo AI, states that fail to resolve identified deficiencies could lose federal funding entirely. This is the largest known deployment of commercial AI by the federal government for enforcement purposes, full stop. It sets a precedent for how AI-driven oversight could reshape government accountability across every agency. We're down to the top 2. Here's what took the number 2 spot. In at number 2, we're getting a brutal look at the economics of consumer AI. TechCrunch and the Wall Street Journal are reporting new details on OpenAI's Sora shutdown, and the numbers are staggering. The AI video generation tool was burning an estimated $15 million per day to operate, while generating only $2.1 million in total lifetime revenue. That's not per day, that's total. Ever. To make matters worse, a billion-dollar partnership with Disney also collapsed, with Disney reportedly learning about the shutdown less than an hour before the public announcement. This spectacular failure illustrates just how punishing the unit economics can be for compute-intensive AI applications, and it may cool investor enthusiasm for similar moonshot projects. And now, the biggest AI story of the day. The number 1 story today is a security breach that has the AI industry on high alert. The full technical details of the jailbreak that triggered the government shutdown of Claude Fable 5 have now been published, and the complete 120,000 character system prompt is live on GitHub, according to Build Fast with AI. To be clear, a system prompt is the hidden set of instructions that tells an AI how to behave, what to refuse, and how to stay safe. Having that exposed is like publishing the blueprints to a bank vault. Enterprise customers are reportedly rethinking their entire approach to cloud-dependent AI infrastructure in response. This leak represents an unprecedented exposure of frontier AI safety mechanisms, and security researchers warn it could enable adversaries to develop far more sophisticated attacks against other models. The ripple effects from this one will be felt for months. That's your AI Now Top 5 for June 15th, 2026. If any of these stories surprised you, drop it in the comments. Like and subscribe if AI news is your thing. I'll see you tomorrow.